Okay. So how to pass? Okay, just like any other argument, pointers also can be passed to a function as an argument. Okay, so ordinary function, how to pass actually? Add into x into y temp equal to x plus y. Okay, return temp. This is ordinary function and ordinary arguments. Here passing to integer types. Okay. But coming to pointers functions, how do you pass? How do you pass?
Pointers
Well, see an
function.
example of how to pass pointer to a function. Okay, but what
First, we
happened if
should
you
declare the functions. Then we have to uh, declare what is pointer, like index and something. We should do at last. We have to call the function.
correct? But here instead of okay variable, you have to pass address of the variable. That's the only difference between
Okay.
passing two ordinary integer types and passing two pointer integer types. Okay, see
Mm-hmm.
integer addition of integer star x integer star y. Okay, integer star star. Tell me what is the difference between these two? When we are passing a pointer to a function, especially okay, instead of a variable, then the address of the variable should be passed. So any
Mm.
change made by the function using pointer is permanently made at the address of a passed variable. Any change you made inside a function, okay, using pointers is permanently made at the address of the passed variable. Okay, this is called as a call by reference. We have already discussed call by value and call by reference. Okay,
Mm.
so I will give one example, one simple example, so you can understand. Integer main enter salary equals to 0.
Mm.
Bonus equals to 0. Printf does the employee current salary scanner 30. Yeah, right. So after that, what we're in printf enter bonus.
Sir, what is T? Oh, temperature. Okay. Sir, what is sorry? What is TEMP?
Temporary TMP means temporary variable. Any
Okay.
variable you can take. We have just given a name. Name can be changed. Okay, bonus. Salary and bonus. Okay. Now I am just calling a method called salary hike. Okay. So here, if you look at here, we are just passing the address. Salary,
Hmm.
bonus. final salary industry. So if you look at this function here, we have main method salary equal to 0, bonus equal to 0, and then print off, enter the salary and enter pass to enter bonus, salary hike. Then what this method is doing basically, salary hike. It does not return any value. Salary hike. Since here we are passing an address, you have to use a only pointer type, right? So look at here, end salary we are passing, hence we have to use a pointer only. Okay, what we are doing? We are passing address of salary to variable, hence it's a pointer, so it's going to have the value that is there inside the salary variable. Salary, if you enter to 20,000, it is going to be there at 20,000 plus. What is the bonus? For suppose you entered 2,000, 20 plus 2,000, 22,000. Now the variable where contains 22,000. But what happened? Since it's a pointer type, it is going to permanently change the made the changes at the address level.
Yeah.
Hence, if you go and print the salary, it should have a 22,000. Okay.
Yes. You want to share this code in the chat box or WhatsApp, sir?
Yeah. So the salary is 20,000 and bonus is 2,000. Now look at here. It is going to print the final salary. Final salary that is going to be stored in the salary. Okay, but salary, this we are referring 2,000, but after executing the function, it would be 22,000. 22,000. Okay. For suppose you create a one more function, it's ordinary function, void, okay, salary hike, ordinary, integer, okay, integer, where integer b, okay, integer b, integer where integer b. It's ordinary function. See, look at here. It's here we have passed a pointer. Here we are passing only ordinary variable. Okay, variable equals to variable plus b. That's all. Okay, and coming to the function, okay, just copying both the lines, control C. Wonderful. Okay, so it's actually ordinary. Ordinary function. So it's not an address because we are just passing only ordinary variable. Salary, comma, bonus. Now tell me what will happen. If you execute salary hike underscore ordinary and passing variable, passing pointer variable. Okay,
Yes, sir.
make changes at a address level. Okay, does not impact the value of okay salary. Now look at the. Let me explain the meaning of this phrases. Pointer variable make changes at address level. Since we are passing address here, we are just changing the value here by adding some bonus value. Okay, so 20,000 plus 2,000, 22,000 just printed after executing the function. If you go and print the final salary, okay, ordinary function. Pointer. And now, even if you try to add inside the variable and try to print it, does not contain 22,000. It takes only 20,000. You got it? Got it.
Yes, sir. 22,000.
Since we are using a pointer, it has taken 20,000 plus 2,000, 22,000. But here we are using ordinary variable. Since we are going to pass ordinary variable, it does not make any changes at address level. Hence, basically, if you try to print the salary, it will show, okay, only 20,000 only. But I will make slight changes here. I will call this function before calling point function. Okay, it's an ordinary function. This is a passing variable of salary. This is the address of salary. Now execute once again. Run. Implicit declaration of function 28 line numbers. Okay. Salary, comma bonus, implicit wage. But still it is executing. No. Undefined difference to okay. Salary bonus. Undefined difference to salary hike underscore ordinary. I think we are given wrong function name. Okay. Enter employee current salary. Current salary is again I'm giving same values 20,000. And bonus is 2,000. Now look at the values. See, the final salary after ordinary function is 20,000 only because it does not make any change at address level. That's why it is taking 20,000. But final function after passing pointer variable to function, okay, it is 22,000 because we are passing address and we are using pointer variable here. That's why it makes changes at the address of the variable. Okay, hence it has updated the value of the salary. Okay, this is also very important concept in C actually. Just let me know if you have any questions. If you use the address of the variable and pass into a function, and if you make any changes inside a function, those changes are permanent. But if you create an ordinary variable, try to change inside a function, it does not reflect after coming outside the function. So that is called by value. This is called by reference. This is called by value. Okay, this is called by reference. Got it?